Let me show you 5 items I'm bringing to Japan and South Korea for my toddler that's not talked about enough. Top opening luggage. Hotels in Japan and South Korea are often tiny. A top opening luggage instead of a clamshell will take up less space while allowing you to load and unload easily. A kid carrier. Japan's subway stations are no joke. Tons of stairs, packed with people, sometimes the stroller just gets in the way. This allows you to maneuver easily, and as a solo parent, it keeps your hands free for luggage and everything else. Arden is going through potty training right now, so I like to carry this toddler seat just to keep his training consistent. There are foldable ones out there, but I prefer this one for the handle and sturdiness. Translation glasses. People don't really speak English in Japan or South Korea, so communication can be difficult. These translate in real time, you read their dialogue through the lens, and they read what you're saying through the app. Something like the Insta360 Go Ultra allows you to capture footage hands-free. Clip it to your hat, hang around your neck, or strap it to your child for unique perspectives. Hope that helps. Drop your questions below.